If there is one phrase to describe today, it would be cold. Very, very cold. The good news is that today's cold air is only going to last about 24 hours, and then we're going to start to see some steady moderation, but still some unsettled conditions with a rainstorm by the end of the week. But at the very least, it won't feel like the lower to mid 30s like it will for today. So let's dive into some of that data. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, CDM number 9. And if you're interested in more detailed information on what's going on with the El Nino Southern Oscillation or why we're going to be seeing strong winds today, definitely check out the premium consulting membership, only $15 a month. And of course, if you would like to help out this channel and also the website, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It actually helps out quite a bit and gets the word out about what we are doing here, which, of course, is weather based on science and not hype and a lot of nonsense. So let's dive into the data. And right now on our surface map, a cold front is moving through the region. No additional precipitation, but you'll definitely notice a shift in the winds coming in from the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusts between 20 and 30 miles per hour. Those gusts will continue to increase this afternoon to around 30 to 40 miles per hour. While that's happening, temperatures right now are in the upper 20s to lower 30s in your higher elevations, a few mid 20s here, even around Mount Pocono. Mid to upper 30s over the rest of the interior, and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast, mid 40s on the east end of Long Island. As you can see, it is pretty chilly out there. And as this cold front continues to drive off the coast, we'll continue to see these strong northwesterly winds. So as you can see on our weather tap radar and surface map, not a lot going on in terms of precipitation. This is clearing the coast. This is what's left of the cold front, swinging on through. This back here is lake effect snow. Yet we normally talk about this in the middle of winter. It's now April, and we're still talking about it because this polar air mass is pretty strong. So what's happening is that cold air is moving over the much warmer lakes, picking up that moisture and producing lake effect snow showers. For us, that basically means scattered cloud cover. But if you're in the Poconos and Catskills, a few flurries can't be ruled out. No accumulation is expected, though. So, why do we have all of these conditions? Well, the cold air is coming in, right? And you can see the clearing skies here with dry air. But when you have the clearing skies like this, it destabilizes the atmosphere. So, the lowest levels of the atmosphere are a bit warmer. You're talking about high temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the higher elevations, upper 30s to lower 40s north and west of the cities, lower to mid 40s along the coast on I-95 corridor. It's much colder in the mid levels. So what happens is that air rapidly rises, but it's also running into sinking air from our trough, pushing off the coast. So the combination of these factors leads to what we call mixing. And it's mixing down stronger winds from the mid levels. So this leads to, in combination to the sustained winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour. While that's all happening, our temperatures, as you can see, are pretty chilly. So that leads to a wind chill. And that wind chill is going to range anywhere between the mid to upper 20s over the higher elevations, lower to mid 30s over the rest of the region. So if you're heading out to the park, you're going to a ball game, what have you, you're going to have to dress like it's winter because it's going to feel like winter with those wind chills, even with plenty of sunshine around the region. And as you can see on our infrared satellite picture, not much in the way of activity all the way back into the central plains here. So generally dry conditions today and tomorrow, and much warmer tomorrow, by the way. Seasonably chilly, slightly below normal, but not like what it is today, where it's 10 to 15 degrees below normal. But you see this feature back here? This little disturbance is going to be diving towards the southern mid-Atlantic and southeast coast, forming what we call an upper level low. And when that happens, well, it looks like the end of the week is going to be a bit wet. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Chilly, windy, a few flurries in the interior. High temperatures only in the lower to mid 30s over the higher elevations, upper 30s to lower 40s over the rest of the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast, with wind chills in the 20s and 30s. So, yeah, you're definitely going to have to bundle up. Tonight into tomorrow morning, the winds slacken off, but skies are clear, so it's going to allow for pretty good radiation cooling, leading to lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. For tomorrow, high pressure will start to push off the coast. We'll have scattered cloud cover, a bit warmer, with high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. And it's going to feel a lot warmer because we're not having any of those strong winds either. Wednesday night into Thursday morning, an area of low pressure will begin to organize to our south, and it's going to lead to increasing cloud cover but dry conditions. Look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid 30s along the coast. By Thursday afternoon, the clouds continue to increase and scattered showers begin to develop. Not a washout or anything of that nature, but a few passing showers here and there. Look for high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Thursday night into Friday morning, that low pressure system continues to get its act together to the south of us, leading to more of an onshore easterly flow that could lead to some coastal flooding. You're also going to notice cloudy skies and scattered showers. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. By Friday afternoon, those showers become more widespread, with that easterly wind increasing around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Again, watch out for some minor coastal flooding. High temperatures only in the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Friday night into Saturday morning, we'll have periods of rain for most of the region. I'm a bit skeptical of this as far as the depiction here. This is what I think is really going to happen because based on the surface temperatures, we're in the mid to upper 30s up here. So if you're above 1,500 feet, I like the idea of seeing snow mixing with rain at times, but accumulation, dusting maybe an inch on cold surfaces. Most locations below 1,500 feet, you might see a flake of snow, but that's about it. Everyone else is going to be a cold, driving rain, with low temperatures on Saturday morning in the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. So not exactly the coldest conditions, even in the dead of winter. If this was mid-January, you had these type of low temperatures, it would still be an extremely marginal event. But we're in April, so it's even more difficult. As we move on through the day on Saturday, the low pressure system starts to push off the coast along with the strongest lifting. Will continue to be cloudy with scattered showers around the area. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. Saturday night into Sunday morning, still cloudy skies, the low pressure systems to the east of us. I still like the idea of scattered showers, more widely scattered over the interior, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. On Sunday afternoon, still scattered showers around the region, more steady rainfall, let's say, over eastern Long Island, eastern Connecticut, and off towards the rest of New England. Look for high temperatures a little bit warmer, ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s on Long Island, lower to mid 50s along the rest of the coast, upper 50s to lower 60s around the Delaware River Valley, and lower to mid 50s over the interior. Sunday night into Monday, well, the storm pulls away, high pressure takes hold, and that's going to lead to sky cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. High temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s along the immediate coast, mid 60s everywhere else. On Tuesday, a trough moves through late, should I say early in the morning. So you might experience an isolated shower around 2 a.m. And then after that, sky cloud cover is expected for the rest of the day. Look for low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the higher elevations, mid to upper 40s over the rest of the interior, lower 50s along the coast, and high temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s around along the coast, and mid to upper 50s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day and definitely bundle up. And as always, stay safe out there.